El Tribu de Lucban is about to enter the SM City Mall to grace the opening of their 3-day sale. It's now February 14, Valentine's Day, and so here we are. Let's check it out. Are you okay, guys? Ready? Ready to rock and roll? Good. Let's rock SM. Okay, I'll go inside now, huh?
Mga ate, forward